I have a bit of an announcement to make today, but before I get onto the announcement, I just want to remind you of what I said in a previous video. If you missed the video, there's a link in the comments below. I source property totally differently from anybody else. I think about deals differently. It's because I have a trading mentality, I have an entrepreneur's mentality, I don't have a property investor's mentality. I want to basically show you how I source property, how I asset manage property, how I add value to property. That's enough of a reminder. Let's get on to my new business, and remember, I'll be documenting the whole journey on YouTube. So please do hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be informed whenever I upload new content. Hi, I'm entrepreneur Shaf Rasul, and I've been cooking up a storm with my latest business. It's been bubbling away for a while now, and I'm thrilled that I can tell you all about it. Let me introduce you to Crowd Kitchens. Ever heard of smart kitchens, ghost kitchens, virtual restaurants, or cloud restaurants? They all mean the same thing, and they refer to ready-to-use commercial kitchens for businesses making food exclusively for delivery. Smart kitchens are used by delivery-only restaurants. Instead of working at a traditional restaurant, simply rent these kitchens. I'm bringing this exciting concept to premises in Edinburgh's Sighthill, and it's going to change the way we eat. With Crowd Kitchens, there's no hassle, no fuss, and because we are in Sighthill, it's the perfect base for serving the whole city and surrounding areas. Think about it. You already run a restaurant, it's busy and you're successful. You also do home deliveries from the restaurant. But is that really the best way to run your business? Of course not. Everything in your restaurant is geared, quite rightly, to eating in that restaurant. When you get orders for delivery, it puts pressures on your busy lunch and dinner service. Imagine if you had the space to prepare food specifically for delivery. You'll be able to prepare food far more efficiently, which means making more of it, which means more deliveries, which means more profit. Methods and containers can be used that will be geared towards delivery. No more food going cold or soggy when it's being transported. Crowd Kitchens isn't just for established restaurants. Using our kitchens is perfect for startups too. Now you can start a delivery-only restaurant with minimum investment. The overheads will be dramatically reduced compared to launching a traditional restaurant. You won't have to pay for front of house staff or costly refurbishment. You can be up and running in a fraction of the time that it takes to set up a restaurant. And sure, you'll have to pay to use Crowd Kitchens, but it will be nothing compared to what it would cost if you signed up a lease or mortgaged premises. Look, the proof will be in the pudding. The delivery market is only going to grow and grow and grow. Swiss bank UBS predicted last year that the online food delivery market would grow from $35 billion to $365 billion by 2030. That's taking into account grocery shopping and, more importantly for us, meal prep kits and online takeaway ordering. Fancy a slice of that? Crowd Kitchens is the perfect fit for delivery-only restaurants. We go together like fish and chips, poppadoms and spicy onions, or macaroni and cheese. If you're interested in further information about the concept or have an inquiry about letting one of our kitchens, please contact SRA Ventures. If you can be bothered reading the full press release, it's in the description for this video.